Hi, this is Mark from LongIslandWatch.com. You might have just watched another video recently. I'm kind of in the same setups because I'm filming two videos, totally back to back. So this video is about this watch, the ISL-53 and the 54. When these watches came out a few months ago, by the way, excellent sellers, excellent. When these watches came out, I had said purposely I put it on a plain Jane strap because I felt like these were going to be strap monsters. And sure enough, all the pictures I see on Instagram, people are pairing these up with amazing straps. I started to get asked quite quickly though out the gate, will you do a bracelet for it? And I said, oh, well, I'll see if people are interested. Well, enough of you complained, asked, whatever, so the time has come. I'll just go to this, we'll do the studio just for a minute, just to kind of show you what it looks like, but I think it looks awesome. This is the 54, the 53 is a date, the 54 is no date. The 54 outsells the 53 by unbelievable margins. I guess you guys really love your no date watches, as you've kind of told me in the past. I'll bring it up into the studio, show you a quick look, and then we'll be done. So here is the ISL-53. Again, the difference between the 53 and the 54 is date, no date. Just want to show it to you in good lighting in the camera, and so I know it's focused. Like I said, I delivered it on this, I don't want to say garbage strap. It's not. It's just simple. It's a single color. You know, like I said, I expected people to really show me how you can up the game on this watch. So I now have a bracelet. This is, I guess the partner on my website is BRAC-11. And this will fit the ISL-53 and 54 only. Just because there's a 20 millimeter curved lug doesn't mean it's going to fit your 20 millimeter curved lug watches. These are solid end links. So they are drilled specifically for the curvature, not only the lug width, the curvature, the position of the spring bars, everything. And it does ship with spring bars for you to use. So it is just like the rest of the Islander bracelets, it's solid link, solid end link. It is held together with screws. It has the 3-position micro adjust. It does taper down to, I believe, 16 millimeters. I should have studied that before I started, but I'm pretty sure it's 16 because, yeah, 16. I try to keep commonality between the 20 millimeter bracelets, all these links. I don't know, just kind of looks great. Let's flip it over and zoom in a bit so we can really see the end link, see how it's solid end link with the spring bar, and then how it integrates into the case beautifully. Now this watch, let me bring back this guy so you can see the case. The case is brushed and polished. It's polished in the bottom and on the inside of the lug, brushed on top. The bracelet is brushed all over, so you will see reflections here. Maybe in the camera it might come across as a gap. It's not. It's a reflection because this is polished on the case, and the bracelet is brushed. I just thought that was the best look for it. It looks awesome. I think, I think I should have developed this in conjunction with the watch originally and released them both at the same time. I'm sure I'm going to get questions. Will I be selling the watch or with the bracelet already installed? No, I won't. I don't plan to. Like I said, I think a lot of people are having fun with it. They'll want the added expense of a bracelet when they buy it, because obviously it adds cost. The strap is a lot less expensive, and your strap options are just immeasurable with a watch like this. You could bring in the orange, you can not bring in the orange, you could make it a 2-piece or 1-piece, anything works. That's it. Bracelet, just like the rest of my bracelet, it's $59. That's it. This has been Mark from LongIslandWatch.com showing you a bracelet option for the ISL-53 and the 54. Please like the video if you enjoyed it. Subscribe to the channel if you have not done so. Any questions or comments, you can put them down below, and I'll be sure to address them as soon as I can. Thank you very much for watching. Bye-bye.